Pecans, the delicious nutrient-packed nut that's been a part of American cuisine for centuries. But how much do you really know about this versatile tree nut? Let's crack open the story of pecans. Pecans are native to North America, originating in the river valleys of Central and Eastern North America and Mexico. The word pecan comes from an Algonquin word meaning a nut requiring a stone to crack. Native Americans prized pecans long before European settlers arrived. They were a vital food source, especially during harsh winters. Pecans aren't just tasty, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Here are some key health benefits. Pecans are certified as a heart-healthy food by the American Heart Association. Eating a handful of pecans daily may help lower cholesterol levels. Pecans contain over 19 vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin E, and several B vitamins. They're packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. The healthy fats and antioxidants in pecans support cognitive function and may help prevent memory decline. Now, let's explore 5 fun facts about pecans that might surprise you. Pecans aren't technically nuts, they're drupes, a type of fruit like peaches and plums. There are over 1,000 different varieties of pecans. Pecan trees can live for up to 300 years. Astronauts took pecans to the moon twice during the Apollo space missions. During World War II, roasted pecan shells were often used as a coffee substitute. Pecans are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Here are some delicious ways to incorporate them into your meals. Breakfast. Sprinkle pecans on your oatmeal or yogurt, or make a delicious apple pecan omelet. Snacks. Roast pecans with your favorite spices for a healthy, satisfying snack. Salads. Add a crunchy texture to your greens with toasted pecans. Main courses. Try a pecan-crusted fish or chicken for a flavorful twist. Desserts. The possibilities are endless, from classic pecan pie to innovative pecan-based cookies and cakes. From their rich history to their impressive health benefits and culinary versatility, pecans truly are a remarkable nut. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, remember the humble pecan, a true American treasure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food facts and nutrition tips.